So this is what it's like to film a review in Alaska. I paddled 5 miles, hoping to get some stuff with the Tamron 150 to 500 while I was on the kayak out in the water. Unfortunately, the waves were about 1 meter, 3 feet-ish high, and capping because of the wind, which is fine. I'm totally safe. It just means I can't do anything with a camera while I'm on the water. So now I got to this place where I'm hiking out to the World War II fort. Hopefully we can do some stuff out there. It was kind of cool though. Earlier on my way out to where I put the kayak in the water, there were some humpback whales feeding, so I was able to get a few pictures of them that I think are usable. But yeah, you make a plan. My plan was to come down here, film, photograph some wildlife and landscape stuff, and so far it hasn't turned out anything like what I was hoping, but I think we'll still get some decent stuff out of it. It's just a matter of, we'll see. It is a beautiful sunny day though, and I'm going to take full advantage of that. The idea is, overall, I want to show what the lens is capable of with wildlife, especially birds. I'm going to do some air-to-air stuff because that really will test the vibration compensation and the autofocus. And if I can, I want to do some sports stuff because that would be tremendously fantastic for this lens as well. For now, got the trusty 17 to 28. We'll see whatever I encounter on the way up to this place. How white my arms are. Kayak, back at the kayak. Got some good stuff up there. Actually, a couple of eagles were circling around, so I got some great pictures of that. Now I'm gonna kayak around and the wind has died down, the waves have died down, which is awesome because I might actually be able to do some like from this kayak photography with that lens. Be amazing if some whales came by somewhere, and or any sea life for that matter. But yeah. Again with the arms. I gotta get them tan somehow. Actually, I think today was a pretty good success. We actually got some good, I think, wildlife shots, and thankfully the wind stopped howling down this bay, so I'm able to paddle back fairly easily, and the waves aren't too big either, so that's always really nice. Turned out to be an absolutely beautiful day down here. Next up, I think we're gonna try the air-to-air stuff tomorrow, maybe, if we can make it work out. But before that, we've got to paddle right there, pull the kayak out, and then drive a quick 2 hours home. Day 3 of filming the Tamron 150 to 500 review. I'm going down to drive another few hundred miles to see if we can find some wildlife somewhere down by the seashore. The place I was hoping to go looks like it might be too windy. And so yeah, we're gonna go down there, see what it looks like, and then make a plan. This is what it's like to do real world testing and filming a review in Alaska. Well, here we go. We're on the water. The important thing when you're doing stuff like this in Alaska is to find somebody who's as crazy as you are to do stuff like this. But we're gonna paddle out there about 3 miles and look for a beach that I saw on satellite. Well, we're about halfway out there. The wind died down, which is nice. Of course, as soon as I put my spray skirt on after getting a big wave inside. But it's looking like a beautiful day. Hopefully we can find some wildlife to take photographs of. Either way, it's gonna be great out here.